Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain about Maths Chapter 8, Working with Fraction. So in the previous year you have been learned about addition and subtraction of fractions. So in this lesson we are going to learn about multiplication and division of fraction. Here we are going to learn about multiplication and division of fractions. So let's begin the lesson. Aaron walks 3 kilometers in 1 hour. How far can he walk in 5 hours? So here they have been given a question like Aaron can walk 3 kilometers in 1 hour. Time duration is 1. In that 1 hour he can walk 3 kilometers. So here they are asking us to find in 5 hours how many kilometers he can walk. So here let's see French, like what the answer might be. This is a simple question. We know that to find the distance we need to find the product of 5 and 3, that is we multiply 5 and 3. Product means multiplication. Now it is just like a simple question. If you want to find this 5 hours distance, in 5 hours how many kilometers he can walk, you have to multiply. You have to find the product of 5 and 3, that is we have to multiply 5 and 3. So in this story sums means you need like the statements you have to write. So here they have been given statements. Distance covered in 1 hour 3 kilometer. Distance covered in 1 hour 3 kilometer. Therefore distance covered in 5 hours 3 into 5, as they said here, that we have to multiply. If we multiply, the answer we get as 15. So here you can see, okay, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. But what is this? This is just like in a multiplication way also you can find the answer for this question, or in the addition way also. See, 3 5 into 3 means 3 you are multiplying 5 times, means here 3 you are adding 5 times, not multiplying. That in a multiplication in one step you can do 5 into 3, which is 15 kilometers. But here in addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 kilometer. Answer is 15 kilometer. See, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, 5. So 5 times they are adding 3. So to get the answer 15. Next, Aaron's pet tortoise walks at much slower pace. So here is this, he is an Aaron. Before the question was about him only, now also it is about him, but his pet tortoise. Okay, this is Aaron and this is his pet tortoise. Okay, let's go. So every tortoise will walk very slow. So here they have been said like Aaron's pet tortoise walks at a much slower pace. It can walk only 1/4 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour it can walk only 1/4 kilometer. How far can it walk in 3 hours? So in 1 hour it can walk 1/4 kilometer. So in 3 hours we have to find now. Here, wait a minute. So here they are asking like in 1 hour it can walk 1/4 kilometer. In 3 hours how many kilometers it can walk? So here the distance covered in an hour is a fraction. So here the distance which is covered, no, in before the question it was like 3 kilometer and 1 hour 5 kilometers we have to find. Here no fraction has been taken place, but in here 1/4 kilometer is there in 1 hour. 1/4 kilometer in 1 hour. So we have to find 3 hours. So the total distance covered is calculated in the same way as multiplication. Here if multiplication comes, you don't think like, oh, it's something other process we have to take. It might be some tricky, but nothing, it's like that. This distance can be covered, this total distance covered is calculated in the same way as multiplication. So here some diagram they have been given. This is distance in 1 hour, which is 1/4 kilometer. In distance in 3 hour we have to find. Okay, distance in 3 hour. So distance statement, this is solution. Statement is distance covered in 1 hour. So first we have to write now what is the all happening here. So distance covered in 1 hour, 1/4 kilometers. Next, therefore distance covered in 3 hours, 3 into 1/4 kilometer. 3 into 1/4 kilometer. So 3 into 1/4, 3 ones are 3/4 kilometer. So the answer is 3/4 kilometer. It can walk in 3 hours. Now that itself they have been done in addition way. That's it. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. The answer is 3/4. If you do this way also, you'll get the same answer. In multiplication also you'll get the same answer. Oops. In multiplication also you will get the same answer. Now after doing this multiplication, you have still doubt, then you can use this addition to verify the answer. This you can use it as verification. This you can use that as a verification. So here, the tortoise can walk 3/4 kilometers in 3 hours. Next, let us consider a case where the time spent walking in a fraction is of a hour. So here what they are telling, this is one a case where time spent in walking, it is a fraction of an hour. Next, we saw that Aaron can walk 3 kilometers in 1 hour. How far can he walk in 1/5 hours? So now they have been given as one case. Okay, that we know that in 3 kilometers Aaron can walk 1 hour. So in 1/5 hours, how much he can walk, how many kilometers he can walk, that we have to find. So this is a distance of a 1 hour. So 1 hour. So here in 1 hour, 3 kilometers. So in 1/5 hour, how many kilometers he can walk, we have to find. So you can use the before steps how we did normally, that. So how we'll get this? You can use the cross multiplication method. So the cross multiplication method is hours kilometer. Okay, here this is 1 hour and this is 1/4 hour and this is 3 kilometers and this will take as x. With this we should find. So cross multiplication. So 3 into 1/4 you have to do. 3 into 1/4 how much? 1/5. Sorry. Distance covered in 1/5 hour. 1/5. 3 into 1/5. The answer is 3/5. 3 into 1/5 is, answer is 3/5. That in here. Distance covered in 1 hour, 3 kilometer. In 1 by 5 hours distance covered is equally to the length we get by dividing 3 kilometer into 5 equal parts, which is 3 by 5 kilometer. This tells us that 1 by 5 into 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Means this tells us this sentence tells us that 1 by 5 into 3, which is 3 by 5 kilometer. Next, here one more question they have been given, like how far Aaron can walk in 2 by 5 hours. Here 3 by 5. Now 2 by 5 means nothing. We have to do 2 by 5 into 3. So 2 3s are 6 by 5. Answer is 6 by 5. So let's go for next. So that's what they have been given, like a diagram way, and they have been explained what to do. So first we have to find the distance covered in 1 by 5 hours. That all they have been given. So the direct and the exact answer is 6 by 5. Next, discussion. Now we are going to discussion. We did this multiplication as follows. First we divided the multiplicand 3 by the denominator of the multiplier to get 3 by 5. So here I'll take what they are telling. First, to get 3 by 5 means 1 by 5 we'll take first. 1 by 5 into 3 we did, right? So here they are telling first we divided the multiplicand. Which is multiplicand? This. This we divided with the 1 by 5 into 3. To get 3 by 5, first we multiplied this with 1 by 3 into 1. 3 we got, and the answer we got in a simple way. Now how we get that, they have been given in a brief explanation. That's it. Okay. So 2 is multiplicand here. Multiplier. 2 is multiplier. Why? Because with this is multiplicand. 3 is. Okay. Why? Because with this 3 only you are multiplying with 2. No, multiplier. Okay. So 2 is here multiplier and 3 is multiplicand. This you have to keep in your mind. Next. So this is what I explained you in a short way, that they have been given in the smudge big explanation. Okay, we'll go for next. Examples. From now, here they have been given 2 examples. You can see first one and this is second one. So let's solve those. They have been given, just we are going through it. A farmer had 5 grandchildren. He distributed, she's having 5 grandchildren. She distributed 2 by 3 acre of land to each of her grandchildren. Like there will be a field, right, for every farmer. So 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, right? It is 2 by 3 of acre she distributed for her each grandchildren. How much land in all did she give to her grandchildren? How much she gave in all? That we have to find here. So total how many grandchildren are there? Oops. Total how many grandchildren are there? 5. How many acres are there? 2 by 3. How many she distributed to each? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. To get the answer, you have to do 2 by 3 into, this is 3. 2 by 3 into 3. 2 by 2 by 3 into 5. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 10 by 3 is the answer. That they have been done in this addition method. So here addition, how they did means 5 into 2 by 3. So here they have been given. See, like this also you can do, as you will get the answer here. Or else 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This you have to add 5 times. The answer will get 10 by 3, which is similar to this. Okay. Next example. Example 2. 1 hour of internet time costs 8 rupees. How much will 1 by 4 hours of internet time cost? So here, example you take like you're watching phone. 1 hour if you watch fully continuously, you will be charged by 8 rupees. If you watch 1 by 4 hours of internet, if you use continuously, how much will be the cost? They are asking. Now first we should convert this mixed to improper. So 1 by 4 into improper, how much you'll get? Plus 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4 is the answer. Now what you have to do? 8 into 5 by 4 you have to do. 8 into 5 by 4. See, in the case you don't know what to do. Okay, multiplication only you have to do, but which you have to multiply you don't know. Then you have to take the cross multiplication method. As no need to do all the whole cross multiplication till you get the answer. Just first you write hours, and this is time. Not time, think as it's cost. Cost, okay? This is hours. Now, first first which they gave? 1 by 4 or 1 hour? 1 hour, right? So here you have to find 1 hour, you have to write here 1. Again in cost 8 rupees. Again here 1 by 4 they have been given. 1 by 4. 8, in cost we have to find. So we'll take that as x. Now you have to do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, these two you have to multiply and these two you have to multiply. So what if you convert this into mixed fraction, improper fraction, you will get 5 by 4 into 8 you have to do here now. Okay. So this is the easiest method to find out. So 5 by 4 into what you have to do? 5 by 4 into 8. So before doing that, if we get any simplification, you have to do simplification. You can do like in 2 table it will go, right? Example, wait. So here in 4 table it goes 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now what is remaining? 5 into 2 you have to do. 5 and 2 is remaining, 5 twos are 10. So it costs 10 rupees for 1 by 4 hours of internet usage. Okay. So that's what you will get the answer finally. 10 rupees. Okay. You have to pay. Next. So it costs rupees 10 for 1 by 4 hours of internet of time. Next, figure it out. These I'll give you in the next video of notes part. Okay, textbook solving part. Now we'll go for next. This one I'll do here itself, as it's easy. First we have to multiply these. Multiply, and we have to then convert this into a mixed fraction. So let's go one by one. I'll take its red marker. So here I'll draw one line. Okay, A. So first answer, only answers I'll write. I'll not write the procedure, but I'll show the procedure. 7 into, wait, 7 into 3 by 5. So 7 3s are 21 by 5 you're getting, right? So 7 3s are 21 by 5. That you have to convert it into mixed fraction they have been given. So take it 5, 21, 5 4s are 20, right? 1. So 4 1 by 5 is the answer for A. A1's answer is 4 1 by 5 is the answer. Wait, don't think this is A1. I'll just write the procedure also. So here I have been written all the answers. So let's start. 7 into 3 by 5. The answer is true 21 by 5. If you convert in mix, you'll get 4 1 by 5. B1 is 1 1 by 3. C1 is 7 5 by 7. D1 is 7 1 by 11. We'll go for next. So far we have learnt multiplication of a whole number. So far we have learnt about multiplication of a whole number with a fraction. So with fraction we have been learnt about multiplication and a fraction with a whole number. What happens when both numbers are in the multiplication are fractions? So here they are telling like we have been learnt of multiplication of fraction, but we have been learnt like with a fraction multiplied a whole number. Now they are telling like in the case of both are fraction, how can we multiply? So it is very easy. That they'll tell here. Multiplying two fractions. We know that Aaron's pet tortoise can walk only 1 by 4 kilometer in 1 half. How far can it walk in a half hour? In a half hour, how it can? So this is 1 hour and this is half hour. So cross multiplication 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 you should do. So the answer you will get is 1 by 4 into 2. What? Nothing. In two fraction you have to just multiply both numerators and both denominators. No any rules for this. 1 1s are 1. 2 4s are 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. Now distance covered in 1 hour. 1 by 4 kilometer. Therefore, the distance covered in 1 half an hour is the length we get by dividing 1 by 4 into 2 equal parts. To find this, it is useful to represent fractions using the unit square to stand for a whole. So here we have to use the unit square. So what we have been multiplied 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, right? I'll just write those numbers here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Now, first you have to take 1 by 4 as a rows. 1 by 4 rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 and 4. Wait, I'll just write properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 1. So this is 1 by 4 we have been drawn, but we didn't shade it, right? So we have to shade 1 here. So let me shade this. Oops, it's not coming to shade, right? Okay, I'll just shade with blue color. 1 I'll shade here. Okay. Next 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 now column. So 1 we have to shade. So 1 I will shade here. Okay. Here now I will shade as 1. Now when you will shade this one, which is the same unit which 2 times it has been shaded. So this is the unit which is shaded 2 times, right? It is shaded 2 times here. Okay, now if you add these all, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, so this is the unit square how to draw. Okay, this is the unit square how to draw. We'll go for next. What happens? So here what have been drawn, that itself they have been given here. Now we divide this 1 by 4 into 2 equal parts. What do we get? What fraction of the whole is shaded? Since the whole is divided into 8 equal parts and one of the part is shaded, we can say that 1 by 8 of the whole is shaded. So we can say that as 1 by 8. So here is total how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 are there. And how many are shaded? Oops. How many are shaded? 1. So 1 by 8 is the answer. So this tells us, means this paragraph tells us that 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 8. Okay. If you want, you can do in this way also, or else if they ask you to do in a unit square method, you have to do in the unit square method. Next. Now, here, find the product. Before that, if the tortoise walks faster and it can cover 2 by 5 kilometer in 1 hour, how far it walks in 3 by 4 of an hour? Now we have to multiply what? 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. That's it. That have been given in a method of this. Okay. So 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. Okay, here I'll do 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 4 5s are. Okay, wait, I'll just write it small. 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. 2 3s are 6. 4 5s are 20. Now, these two are even. If any number is divisible, means if these two, numerator and denominator are divisible by any number, you have to just simplify those and give them to this lowest term. So this both are even numbers, so as they can be divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 0 as it is. Okay, 0 as it is. So the answer is 3 by 10. Let's see the answer is correct or no. Yes, the answer is 3 by 10. So the remaining part I'll do in the next class. So guys, hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And bye bye.